Doing me right, whether I like, taking your time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to share my pancake recipe with you guys, and trust me guys, you're gonna love it. So let's get started. You're gonna need 1 egg, butter, plain flour, baking powder, mixed spiced or cinnamon, brown sugar or white sugar, and vanilla extract or vanilla flavoring. And for the purpose of this video, I'm using whole milk. So you're going to start off with cracking 1 egg into a mixing bowl and just whisking it. You can use a fork or a whisk to do this, but I'm using a fork.
It makes me feel close to you. I know I always can count on you.
So you're just going to grab a sieve and you're going to start to sieve some flour into your mixture. So I'm using 6 heaped tablespoons of flour for the purpose of this. You don't need to add this much if you don't want to. I'm just making pancakes for 2 people and I'm making 6 in total. So I was making a large batter.
She holding it back and then holding it back. Yeah, fuck up there. I can feel the sun. Better eat, but another one. I say I love it. Better days coming. Now you're sipping on a rum. Shalom, lalam. Working on a bum for the fun, no the benefit. I love it when you call me boo. Make it to your man straight through. Boy, I can be.
So once that flour has been added, you're going to go ahead and add some baking powder. I used about 1 teaspoon of baking powder in my mixture.
Whether I like, taking your time. Oh, I love it when you call me boo.
So now I'm just adding my whole milk. I'm adding about half a teacup of milk into it. There's not in particular really any measurements for this step. Like I said before, you just want to ensure that your mixture is thick. And you're just gonna mix that bad boy up until it's smooth.
Wanna slow down time, rewind. Yeah. Come here, baby, just one more time. Did you want just one last wine? Give it to you, won't waste no time. Yeah, I love it when you call me boo. Cause it makes me feel close to you. I know I always can count on you. So don't forget I'll be there for you. For you.
So as you can see from here, the texture of my mixture is now pretty much thick. You'll know if it's thick because it will feel different when you're whisking it around. So now I'm just adding in my vanilla flavoring. I'm adding about a teaspoon of vanilla in this. If you're using vanilla extract, also add a teaspoon in as well. And you're just gonna mix that in as well.
Baby, shine like VVS. This is the high life, be prepared. For me to shine, I need you here. You're like dancing diamonds. My responsibility. See, you're my comfortability. I'm what you want, you're what I want. Shine like the sun, baby. They don't see what I see. You're the diamond in me.
So now I'm just going in with my mixed spice. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of that into my mixture also. And again, I'm just gonna whisk that up until it's nice and blended.
When I'm coming over, when I need you home.
Guys, at this point, I kid you not, my pancakes smell so good.
Girl, I'm coming over, when I need you home. Girl, I'm calling for you, please don't leave me lonely.
So now I'm just gonna go in and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This step is optional. You don't need to add 2 tablespoons, you can add 1, but I do like my pancakes kind of sweet. And to ensure that my pancakes are sweet, I just mix this in and then I actually taste the mixture. Guys, go ahead and taste it. Nothing's gonna happen to you. I do it all the time. And yeah, you'll know if you like it or not. And I clearly didn't like it, so I went back in and added an additional tablespoon of sugar until it was mixed in, and I tasted it as well, and it was lovely.
So don't forget I'll be there for you. Take time, make I show you good times. Wanna slow down time, rewind, yeah.
So in a frying pan, you're gonna wanna add some butter. Just in case you're wondering, I am using a non-stick frying pan, but of course you can make this in a normal frying pan, but I'm just using a non-stick. And I'm just waiting on the butter to heat up. And my stove was on medium heat, and again, that's the texture. And I'm just gonna pour my mixture into my frying pan now and just let that cook. I let mine cook on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how fast your cooker is, but you do want to watch it at the same time to ensure that it doesn't burn. Also notice that your pancakes are starting to cook when you see that the edges start to like kind of raise up a bit. So that's just when you want to flip it, and also when you see air bubbles frying in the top. But that's my pancakes cooked. I'm now making my second pancake. As you can see that my butter is nice and hot. Just adding my mixture in.
Taking your time. Whoa, doing me right. Way that I like. Taking your time. Oh, I love it when you call me boo, 'cause it makes me feel close to you. I know I always can count on you.
So now that I am throwing my last pancake, as you guys can see, that's looking nice, and I'm just gonna serve that out on my plate. So now you're just gonna want to grab your favorite fruits. I'm using a banana and a couple of strawberries with this. So I'm just chopping my bananas up and chopping my strawberries in half and just decorating my plate. So I'm just drizzling some honey on this. This step is optional, and I'm adding some ice cream. Oh my gosh, I 100% recommend adding vanilla ice cream to this. It will taste bomb, and this was the final results.